Forgiveness and trust are not the same thing. Forgiveness is internal, trust is relational. You can forgive someone and still recognize that the pattern has not changed. You can release resentment and still decide not to rely on them. You can make peace with what happened without handing them access again. Trust is not rebuilt by intention alone, it's rebuilt by consistency, by accountability, by changed behavior over time. Forgiveness might free your nervous system from holding anger, but trust requires safety, and safety is earned. Today's shift is this: you don't have to confuse forgiveness with reopening your heart in the same way. You can forgive and still protect yourself. You can let go and still move differently. You can release the weight without recreating the risk. Now let's say that together. I do not have to confuse forgiveness with reopening my heart in the same way. I can forgive and still protect myself. I can let go and still move differently. I can release the weight without recreating the risk. Trust is not automatic, it's informed. And honoring that doesn't make you unforgiven, it makes you wise. Forgiveness frees you, trust protects you.